Formula Rossa is the world's fastest roller coaster with a speed of 0 to 240 kilometers per hour in 4.9 seconds. So if you're a person who loves the adrenaline rush, it's time you go and have a taste of this roller coaster. So Formula Rossa is the best if you're adventurous and you don't know a place to go and have fun. Now it's a time you pack and go to Abu Dhabi and have this fun. Guys, thank you for watching. Welcome to this channel and make sure you watch until the end and see how this Formula Rossa roller coaster brought tears of joy to the one and famous Kevin Hart.
Wait, don't start it yet. The Formula Rossa. This thing here goes 240 kilometers in an hour.
Can I be honest with you? I'm worried that's a little too slow for me. It's not fast enough. Hopefully they can speed it up.
Okay. I didn't know we got goggles. I guess that's because of the speed, probably, right? It's okay. We're gonna be all right. Hold on, wait. Don't start it yet. Just wanna fix my goggles. This water's supposed to be coming up from under here. Yeah? Okay.
Are those tears?
Yeah, tears of joy. Everybody lets tears down when they're happy. I was happy. It's just how I get down. I feel like everybody should look like that.
Oh, okay.
People need proof. They need pics to post. That's why I invented the Heartbreaker, the only safety gear that makes you look like Kevin Hart on a roller coaster. Not scared. Because if you're gonna break records, well, you gotta look damn good doing it. You never cried because you were happy or excited? Well, if you haven't, you should.